Hey, just a quick video. So I film a lot of my 3DS, which is a new Nintendo 3DS XL. You can probably see the security number and all that. I film a lot of it, and I never use the speakers, and it always annoys me that it makes a sound whenever it records, because it's just really obnoxious. I mean, your phone doesn't make a sound. So I did research, and there was no info at all on if it would work without the speaker connected. I just did that. I just took off this back panel, which I fixed it as a pretty good tutorial on. Just make sure you slide it off. It may not feel like it's coming off, it just keeps sliding and it'll come off. Don't use a spudger because it breaks the plastic tabs according to the iFixit thing. You just desolder one of them. I just did the red wire, which doesn't really matter which one. I just capped on taped it over this side. You could probably cut it flush, but I think that'll be fine. Kept on taped again so it's not in the slider, but that's all you have to do, and it seems to work perfectly fine. I haven't tested the headphone jack, but it should work. So yeah, the Nintendo DS does work without the speakers connected.